Hello, today I am going to show you how to make a fountain in a pot. First you will need a pot with a bottom piece to set on so that it doesn't tip over. You will also need a water pump, the little thing that fit the straw to fit on the water pump. I just got this from Pawn and Bricks. It's a $15 water pump. You will need marbles or rocks. It doesn't matter which one you use. I just use marbles instead of rocks because I'm using a small pot. And so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna be having to cut this. If your pot doesn't have a hole, you won't need to, but I had to cut it because it had a hole and so if you just put this down there, it would actually leak right through and the gravity would push it out. So it would overflow. So I used a cork. You would want to cut it depending on if your pot, depending on how big the hole is. I just used a cork because I had really nothing else to use. If I used glue, it would take a while to dry. So I just used a cork. Since I had to cut it, I just cut it around and then smudged it in there. So technically, really, you're just cutting it around the edge, just like that, with scissors. So you just do that. Oh, okay, yeah. You just want to cut it so that it's small enough to fit. And then you just smudge it down in there. Then it will fit snug. And then what you want to do now is, what I did just to make the water look fancy is because I just took the scissors and just cut like 4 pieces so that it would have the water just dribble out like that. And so you want to attach that to the top, the peak of your cone. And then you can smudge it right at the bottom. And to test it, you just fill it up with water, which I have here, and then plug it in. But then right after that, you want to put your marbles in. I don't know why this isn't sticking. Okay, so now that I have my pump in here, you want to put it perfectly in. Right there. And so now you're going to take your marbles and then fill it till it's about to the top. And you want to make sure that your water pump is set. So I just put it on as high as it goes, 70 GPH, 70 gallons per hour. And then, so I just took my marbles and put them in the bottom. If you want, you could add rocks to the top. Okay, I filled it up all the way. There is some tiny rocks in it that I left. And if you want, you could just put one of your marbles on top. It could be big or a small one. I'm just gonna use a big one. If you want, you could just use a really big one, like that. In this case, I'm just gonna use one of these. I might just switch back to this one. Okay. Now what you're going to do is, the reason why I'm putting this on is because this one over here, see, if it does this, it doesn't really do as good. If you put this on, there's LED lights in here. So there's little glows in the bubbles. And so I just got that one today. So I'm just going to use a marble on this one. Okay, so now we're going to fill it up with water. Okay, I have almost got filled with water. I'm going to plug it in and that out. I'm going to fill it up with water now. Here we go. First test. And there's your little fountain. Oh, it's under the marble. There we go. It does spill everywhere, so I'll just leave it like that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment below, like, and subscribe. Bye!